Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me. Today, I'm going to be talking about Jira Service Management, or JSM for short. JSM is a powerful IT service management tool, and it's designed to help organizations streamline IT operations and provide services to users. JSM helps IT teams manage incidents, service requests, changes, and problems. It's utilized by both IT support teams, service desk agents, and even business teams who want to improve their collaboration and service delivery. The user interface makes it nice and easy for everyone from agents through to end users to interact with the system. Let's start with the navigation at the top here. You can see if you click on this selection here, these are the different products that you subscribe to as part of your Atlassian instance. We've got Jira, which is Jira software, Jira Service Management, Confluence, and other products that you may have signed up for. Next, we have your Jira navigation at the top over here and your landing page. If you want to see all the products that you have linked to your Atlassian subscription, you can click over here. You can see this subscription has Jira software, Jira Service Management, Confluence, and other products below. When a user logs in, they're also able to go to the Your Work tab, where they can see all issues that are assigned to them, any recent issues that they've worked on, boards, queues, or alerts that they are actively involved in. To see a list of all the projects that have been created or projects that you have permissions to on your Jira instance, you can click on View All Projects here. Should you want to create a project, you can click Create Project here and you can choose a template which will work for your Jira Service Management project team. Filters you can use to create different search filters, which can be used in dashboards or queues. Dashboards is a place that you can go and create a dashboard or view all other dashboards, and it contains all the metrics for your team or specifically to you. Teams are where you can go and create teams for different areas of your business or invite users to Jira. Assets and apps, we'll have a look at it a little later on. The create button over here is if you are a licensed Jira agent, you can create on that. You can select the project that you want to create an issue in. You can select the issue type. So it could be a task, a service request, incident, problem, etc. You can also add a summary, components, so any impacted areas, add an attachment, and then any custom fields. So these are some of the out-of-the-box fields. You can also customize this per team, per issue type, whatever it may be. This is all customizable, and you can report on this afterwards. Let's have a look at the IT support project. When you open up a project, it lands on the queues page. Here you can see all the open queues. It shows in a table format, so you can see the key, the request type, the reporter, summary, etc. You can also see the SLA information at the end and when that SLA will breach. If you open up a specific ticket, you get the ticket view. You can also see the SLA information within each individual ticket, time to first response and time to resolution. And you can see all the other information that was captured on the right-hand side over. You can also go down here and you can add a comment. You can add either an internal note for agents only. You can reply to a customer, also inform stakeholders. You can look at the audit history of a ticket. This captures all the history, work log, and also any approvals. If we go back to the project, this is the board view. So you can see the status or the workflow which each ticket follows for this IT support project. You can see this one has a basic workflow. It's got to do, in progress, waiting for customer or approval, and done. You can either update the ticket when you view the ticket, so you can move the status of a ticket from example to do to in progress, or if you're working as part of a project, you can just move the ticket to the necessary status that you'd like to. These are the other categories. So you have service requests, incidents, problems, and changes. They've all got their own separate queues. So you can see that you could create multiple queues and you could view those tickets at a queue level. Other operational items are change calendars, services, alerts, and on call. So this is for asset management and this is for Ops Genie. We'll cover that in the video a little later on. We've also got links to a knowledge base article. So this is on Confluence so that you can reference tickets with support documentation in Confluence. Next, you've got the report section where you can view a list of out-of-the-box reports on workload, satisfaction, requests deflected, requests resolved. You can get all these different reports here. You can also create custom reports based on JQL. Here you can see SLA met versus breached, 38 met, 24 breached. You can also drill down further into that information. Go back to project. Alert and on-call will come back to. You've got different channels. You can have a list of your customers. You can invite agents. You can add a shortcut to documentation or external links. You can go to project settings. So this is for people with or users with project admin rights. They can go into the project settings. They can add people to certain roles. So people can have different roles. You can be part of the admin group, a service desk customer, or service desk team. This is just the project summary of how it's being configured. You can see the different issue types that are being used, different components and who the component leads are, the different priorities, permissions, and your workflows. These are the different workflows that are being used for the different issue types. So here you've got a change management workflow, incident management workflow. So as mentioned, these are all customizable workflows. You can update your issue types, request types, any forms that you may have, any external resources that you may be utilizing, and also anything around change management or incident management. You can also create a virtual service agent, which we'll discuss a little later on. You can set up SLAs. So this is where you'll use JQL to set up your SLAs for your different issue types, time to resolution, time to first response, time to close after resolution, and also time to review a normal change. Here you could just click on different add SLAs. You can either update the existing ones or add a new one here. Automation, this is where you're going to automate manual tasks. So anything that you would like to automate, example, when a ticket comes in, if it goes to a certain request type or a certain priority, you can update and assign you automatically. You can update regions. Anything that you'd like to automate can be set up here as an automation rule. It can be a scheduled automation rule, or it can be something that can run automatically on ticket update or ticket create. These will be the different apps that are associated with the projects. Here you can see the different workflows. So example, if I want to see a change management workflow, I can click on diagram and we'll show the workflow that each ticket follows if it's going through a change management workflow. These are the different screens, fields, permissions, issue security. So absolutely everything associated to your Jira Service Management project can be updated within the project settings, but you will have to be a Jira admin. Finally, I just want to click on dashboards and show you the service desk dashboard. A service desk dashboard, as mentioned previously, is made up of different filters. So save search items. What you do is you add gadgets to your dashboard and you include those search filters, and then it gives you this view on all the different metrics that you may need to capture. So an average age report, time to resolution, priority broken down with a number of issues by medium, low, critical, issues, all open issues that are waiting on customer, waiting for approval, waiting for support, issue statistics based on who's been assigned. So this is on all resolved issues, but it could also be on all open issues. This is where you'll come to see all your dashboard statistics and metrics. We'll cover more of the detailed functionality of the ITSM in further demo videos. I hope this has helped just give you a high-level overview and look forward to any questions. Thank you.